What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video here. Today, it's not the day I get a haircut, although I really need one. My goodness. Today I'm gonna get THUMP to eat. I know I'm gonna get THUMP to eat because, oh, THUMP's got one hanging out of his This video is action-packed. I mean, we are going to Jacob Fetter's. He's got a legit zoo in his backyard. Big cats.
Hey! Oh my.
Then going to my buddy Nick's house, checking out his pond. Oh! And after all of that, then we're gonna come back home and take care of business over here at the big pond. So make sure you stick along, stay tuned. The entire video is a blast. Before we get started with all the action, a quick word from today's video sponsor. And then we'll get right into it. Today's video is sponsored by API. Y'all know I've been using API for years now, literally years. And that's because API has been in the industry for nearly 60 years developing and perfecting their products for your aquariums and ponds. You've seen me in the past run into a couple issues here in this pond where we added pond salts, and even in the front pond when we added pond salt. Using dechlorinator many times as well. You know I'm a big fan of this stuff and I always use it. Obviously I've got aquariums, I've got ponds, another pond coming soon, which we'll be using API for. But if you've got aquariums and ponds and don't own this stuff or have it close by, you're making a mistake, I'm telling you, because no matter what happens here, I've got something to help me out. And API has everything from test kits to water conditioners to fish medications and even nutritional products for your fish. Now do me a favor and go to the link in the description, click that link, or go to literally any of your local stores. There will be API there as well. And get yourself some. Have some on hand. Be ready for anything that could happen. We all know at any moment with these aquariums and ponds, things can go downhill. And if you've got some API, you'll always be ready for that. Thank you so much API for sponsoring today's video, and now on with it.
Jaguar.
Jacob, that is a massive enclosure.
It's pretty big. It's gonna be even bigger.
Holy smokes. It's gonna be even bigger.
Yep, so we're doing over here, it's gonna be for the Jaguar. So right now we're at 48 feet long, 24 feet wide, 15 feet tall.
Holy smokes.
We're gonna be making it about 70 feet long, even bigger. There's gonna
oh
be
my
a pool.
gosh, a pool.
There's gonna be a pool for the cat right here where this horse walker is.
Jacob's property is very, very unique. I mean, his literal house is a dome. At least it looks like a dome. It's really, really cool. He's got a bunch of tortoises right out front. He's a big reptile guy. Obviously, this is his barn. It's got a bunch of stuff in it. I think this is like a snake room or whatever. Oh, okay. Not exactly the friendliest, I assume. What's up, guys? I won't bug you, but you are beautiful. Indeed that. Jacob lives like 2.5 hours from me, so it's very rare for me to make my way all the way out this far south. We are deep in Miami right now. Through this little path here, we come to Jacob's backyard.
My only male clouded leopard. His name's Ollie. He's about 2 years old. One of the rarest cats in the world. He likes me, but he doesn't like most guys. He's a little bit crazy. He's a little bit feisty.
Take the camera, Jacob.
If you look at him, he is. Oh wow. Oh, hey, okay. Hey, buddy. Hey. Oh my God, Ollie. Hey, you got some big teeth. Whoa.
Jacob, this is the one that we actually saw last time.
Yep,
right?
This is Nebula. You guys saw her last time. Now she's really sweet, but since you guys saw her, she actually has a rare eye condition. She's gone blind. She gets eye drops every single day, twice a day, 365 days a year.
She's the cutest thing on the planet.
Yep, she's adorable.
So
she's
cute.
blind, but she can still see. It's like partially blind, but she's so nice. Hi, baby girl.
Oh, she's so different from that one.
I know, she's much smaller, still got those big teeth. But Nebula, she's really sweet. So the lemurs are obsessed with me. I'm like their dad right now. So you can see, they love coming here to their father. Yes, hi guys. Yes, oh my gosh. You guys love it. I'm your father. Yes, just like teddy bears.
Lemur dad.
But guys, check this out. Have you ever heard a lemur scream?
No.
What is up, everyone? Yes.
Is that some dialect of Spanish?
What was that?
Spanish.
Correct. Spanish, I knew it.
Correct, it's Spanish.
Wait,
yes.
can I ask why they did that?
So that's their noise. That's their lemur call. In the wild, they live in a troop of about 30.
So whenever they hear loud noise, a high vocal, they go at it.
Whenever they hear that noise or anything that might be a threat to them in the wild, if one lemur sees a predator, they're gonna sound off, and then all the other
the other lemur went nuts. This lemur right here was like,
and they almost all get into sync with each other.
This is Rufus the lemur.
Yep, black
I've never
and white
held
lemur.
a lemur before, I don't think.
Really? Oh,
Last time we were here, we didn't hold him. He kind of just jumped all over
yeah,
me.
but now you're holding him.
I'm holding him.
You're holding the lemur, and he loves armpit
He
scratches.
kind of looks like
Look
a
at that.
skunk.
So this was a horse stall before. this is kind of what it looked like. Sort of kind of what it looked like before. It was like this, except I poured concrete, and this is what it looked like before. Now, the after is my carnivore prepper, where I do all the meat prep for all the cats.
Dude!
Come in, shut the door. It's really cool.
Dude!
It's really nice.
You snapped.
Right, look at this. In here, in the freezer, we got all kinds of meat.
All the food.
We got pork, beef, chicken. We got all kinds of stuff, and then we got our little station here.
That's crazy.
We've got our cleavers for cutting the meat. We've got our big cat vitamins. We got everything in here, but it came out pretty sick.
Jacob, I'm so proud of you. Yes. This man legit has a zoo. It's got exactly what I've always wanted to do for my pigs.
Like this
I wanted to do these signs.
It's got like a map where they're from.
Bro, what in the heck? This is beautiful.
You need to chill.
Right? This is.
Oh my gosh! Oh, what's up, dude?
We got Mr. Sooks.
Hey, they're not sleeping right now.
I know. Let's see if she wants something to eat. Wait. Oh, she's coming. She's sniffing it. And we just gotta get her just a little taste of it, and then that's how we're gonna lure her to come back. And then we're gonna lure her to come just like this, and you can see she's got those nice vampire teeth, and we're just gonna give her just a little bite, just like that, and it's so yummy, so good, so nice.
That's nice, dude. Little fingerprint to get in. Nick, I think it's start eating you soon.
I know.
Wow. That is incredible. The water is crystal clear. That grouper, lionfish, he's got it all in here. This is literally the saltwater version of my pond at home. This is saltwater. Big old triggerfish. It's feeding time. Oh my, dude, that is epic. The eel is sketchy, bro. He's so sketch. Wow. You can't tell me this is not the coolest thing you've ever seen. Oh my gosh! Buddy, that was sick.
This is pretty dope.
Oh, here we go, here we go. Oh! Look at the window shot, is just so epic. Oh, a little bamboo shark. He's like, I smell the shrimp. I just don't know where it's at. Yeah, dude, this pond looks awesome. Oh, Trigger just got a shrimp. Well, I had to stop by and show you guys the saltwater pond before we went out to catch, hopefully, wild shiners. I don't know how this mission's gonna go. Nick said he's got the spot, so let's give it a shot.
We don't use 3
Nick said this is not a 3-foot net. Yeah, typically I usually have a 3-foot net. This is, how big is this one, 8?
It's about 12 feet.
No, yeah, my. Oh, and it's got the real lead at the bottom. Oh, dude, we're gonna completely smack these things. That would have ruined my day with no shoes on, let me tell you.
I just stepped on bougainvillea.
Nice sticker right there. We're gonna keep walking anyway. So dude, this canal's sick.
This was all like bushes, and they would hide up in there, but it's all cleared out.
Oh, absolutely goated, dude. That was a good throw. Oh, I think that's a shiner. There's fish, that's all that matters. Bluegills, not what we're looking for. Wow, first cast, couple baits. What do you think, Foddy?
Pretty dope. Pancake, nice little circle. No bananas. No bananas allowed.
Woo. I have not been back in this location for probably close to a decade or more. That right there is my elementary school. So weird. Looking at it, I remember the little bus loop. Look at all the bluegill. Spotted. Spotted tilapia. Some bluegill.
You want that thing?
I don't think anything will eat it. It's a little too big. Let's see it. Spotted tilapia. More bluegill. Come on, buddies. Foddy, where are the shiners at?
Where the shiners at? They're at Shiner
Sam's. Where's the shiners at? They're at Shiner Sam's. Nick's throwing the net for us today. Thanks, Nick.
You want to throw the net?
No, I'm good. I think shiners is probably about the only thing Thump would really eat. Obviously, he did eat a tilapia. But if we can get shiners, I really do think he would go crazy.
There's a reason they're one of the most expensive baits.
Yeah, you're right. He has a great point. Unless they're bred like domestic shiners, they're expensive. Wild shiners are not cheap. Wow, dude.
That was the best.
That was a straight up pancake. If we were looking for bluegill, we would have done great today.
I caught a wasp.
Look at this.
Look.
What?
Look at a
wasp.
There's a wasp. Oh my gosh. It's like a yellow jacket.
Yeah,
dude.
that is a yellow jacket.
See what we can get. Big old tilapia.
Big old rock. Oh my god.
And a dragonfly. What's with you with bugs, dude?
Wait,
look at the
bro,
dragonfly.
Look at these. These are glass.
These are all like
I've
that's what I
never
was
seen
saying.
that in my life. Just put them in.
Does anyone know what the heck that is? Just gonna get a better shot, but they're so floppy. A little largy. Largemouth bass.
Let's get them. Go.
See you, bud. Cuffaros. Nick, what do you say?
I really don't have anything to say.
We gave the shiner thing a shot. This canal didn't produce for us, unfortunately. So we're leaving the spot now. Nick was just showing us a video of the shiners that he caught, which is crazy that we didn't catch any, because he literally netted like 100 plus. Obviously, last resort is what I didn't want to have to do, but we're cheating, okay? We're cheating. Listen, I didn't want to have to do this, but we have to do it. Unfortunately. Technically, it's the same thing. We just didn't catch them, okay?
Some buckets back here for sale.
Perfect. If I could put in my pocket, maybe?
Yeah, absolutely.
That'll work? Yeah.
What do you want? One of these?
Just one of those buckets, yeah. I don't even need an aerator. I live right around the corner. I'm gonna feed my fish.
How many you want?
Shiners. I'm gonna do 2 dozen.
2 dozen.
Yeah, please. Oh yeah, nice ones. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, dude, he's gonna munch. He's gonna munch. I think this is exactly what Thump was waiting for. This right here. It's unfortunate we couldn't catch wild ones, but it's all right. I literally, what do you think, Paul? Do you think Thump's gonna eat?
He's gonna eat. He'll destroy that.
Look at that. We need anything else? We going fishing? Do we need some baits, some lures, some bobbers? Want to catch Thump? We can catch Thump. Look at that. Let's see him. Let's see him, Foddy. Let's see him.
There you go.
Oh, yeah, dude. I really think Thump's gonna go crazy. The catfish are eating them. Oh! That was Thump. Okay, so we're about to do another handful. We believe we had Thump eat, but I couldn't get exact shot. I could rewatch the footage and see if it was him. You'll probably know as I'm editing this, but we're about to see if he'll eat again. It's not, oh, he's here, he's here. Thump is right there, he's right there. Oh, Thump's got one hanging out of his mouth. Yeah? He had it hanging out of his mouth. He just spit it out, it's right there. Oh my gosh, wait, look, look, look. Oh, oh, oh. Come on, Thump. Come on, Thump. They're shiners, bro, they're shiners, they're where you came from. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, he definitely likes shiners. Oh, oh, oh. The fish look awesome from this high. Come on, Thump. Dude, every time, right before he comes up to eat. Oh my gosh, dude. That is so epic, though. We obviously know when the lights go out, he is going to eat. There's probably about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 baits left out of 2 dozen. That was absolutely epic. What do you think, Foddy?
That was epic, dude.
I definitely want to do that again. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't checked out the merch, it is top link in the description, pcbrand.com. Big shout out to API for sponsoring this video. Check out their links down below. And guess what? I'm gonna see you right back here in the next one. Peace!